makesi bi famra Adom TV so Adom TV so bejo dwumedi so dia wo kansi ho sempa esa kene no pansu ja medin de Enoch Kwasi Wolanyo Wallace agudie krach ba kope the only nomenclature professor's degree in sports the Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and best kunyana kono kwanten kono small do esa kene no pansu bi e wo Ghana gudim eja ka kire busuafo namfofo oyere oma wo fasefo na mukrumu ene opranfo nyina se prof ginam ayede a wo kansi ho sempa esa kene no pansu eba Kingdom Heba ene Kingdom Home Estate ene taechi na Kingdom Garlic Bitters ne Kingdom Garlic Capsules na ebo adwuma too much bo modern da untime mene capsules ne bia to bitters ne bebubo na mwa immune system betia sabodon na prevent diseases and sicknesses from entering the body eno power a lower air blood pressure na face so cholesterol stade ne anwa do no yi free ho reduce sugar level no ema niama 18 to 2 year de ma edonidi e the Kingdom Garlic Bitters na fe Kingdom Garlic Capsules mansan kebi na mwa ema niama 18 to 2 year enfamo apomodon sem ye the new Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules aba we memedro ema ne toma mema no so ebetia saje odbe ho adwuma don hwere be so ha na still gusu butu so a wo pompe bo modern da so sabetia ke be recommended for sexual weakness pains and anya waste mu na mental stress na produce energy ema extra yiwale power a obetili abo adwuma amane ama etia koye de ma edonidin ene Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules mema de wo setimi ke betia bo pa tremendous capsules so ye manedro mema no so etoma ma no so betia saje ubu ha wahimfi ho nipa ni twam no on respond to WhatsApp call that ni nan se nani anye ho mansan ka tremendous capsules se boa eyi kakawredre ni apoto bibire nyina di free ho na maniama 18 ye hon kan so 18 kwe na mafo agwa wa 2 okasa ontua oboa obetua mo ho tremendous capsules ne do ba ko betia boa candidiasis fita na se white odipo na chiwa eno so etimi edi ho dwuma maniama 18 ye nti ya na wako Kingdom Herbal Center onsa betia kabi na wato anom na boa mo pomodon sem etinjina ye ye the Kingdom Home Estate so san pe so fisa bere ko de come modern air touch of a house there na Kingdom Home Estate for na dia ba affordable houses obetia san toki tateku sempoa kapre 3 obetia san to bi na boa maniama etia kwede ma oti aburuchira na so te Ghana ha na so pedanto dia ba bia ni ho Kingdom Home Estate nya fina one langas for otimia sakoko muku wia afina betua de gemfi mesrew bomodin da okoto estate ne betia saboa wasum betia sa electricity ho security service ho no eni ka se omo CCTV so ho ana fe so light no omo standby generator so nso de eba wawa ewo pipe muti mesrew Kingdom Home Estate o site mi kan mo edan bia eno so betia bo me asum betia sa dwen ne eni ka fa Kingdom Home Estate no se o drive some few minutes omo surroundings no obetimi akọ botanical gardens ebri na wetin question na ma ACT ho na afi obetimi akọ boti force obekọ Safari Valley Resort na wetin akọ boni akoma hospital etete kwashi hospital so ben ho a eno so apomodon sem na toba ha ofia obetimi na ntimility abi dia kopim ho na wetin akọ south so ye for wani kire ekropon right after the latte junction on sabetin ka Kingdom Home Estate yetin san hwaboa ema osa etimi akasa adan papa bi obetin afre Kingdom 4 0536149961 0536149961 and 03039399987 03039399987 na one Kingdom yentwenko ka Kingdom a na wagem so say no challenger womo etechiri pande de awokensi wonsempa esa kena no pansu jaw game park games e de chacha so kwetian san ba boys dia edi na nyasem keto kra na pekwan games dia na lika bomo dia da so do hu betian san gym draw no e ba so anopa awia ananwumre e wa Adom TV so Monday to Sunday tutim sampa when dia anopa obedi awia when dia awia so betian de nwumre afi kwa betian dia anopa e de awia esan de nwumre asan de apem so game park games or say more mula more power womo techiri and e de san share so kun etueba a journey of 1,000 kilometers begins from first step pencha sem fanfi English Premier League match ba ko etuan sa kansensemu na Luton Town for transfer Arsenal etwomeka pole 9 omte karimu emiensa afi Wolves for enso Chebanle etwomeka mienu a omso entimi anti hwagro no ewo English Premier League matches Saudi etwonsa PM mienu no ane apone ho kakra e de ama untimi nya nyina fu intimi so ana watimi ahwehwe akiri kwan na afia de nkomo akara akiri na abia brew yenko Black Queens of Ghana kache a omso for 5 solid years ni no omuntimi qualifying ko aye WAFCON na dwumadie no enra womne Namibia for the 10 times aro se me se Namibia che Ghana etwe ka ba ko yentimi ante ye ya yentimi ante Namibia for make us so be dangerous na no da on be pm Accra Sports Stadium no etwom 3-1 omutimi nya ba ko de ko no any first ego a Nora Hotel Burifita ya de Black Queens man utimi consider na omusan ko pie mu fie nso a omo ehye ka ba ko yentimi ante but Black Queens etimi a qualify nyame adoma next year ye be ko akopiem ewo Morocco sa kensi no a man so African Cup of Nations August busunu and then also a bit baso na hwese ground so isiko na Namibia for share so African Cup of Nations the women's version no ebeba so Morocco and next year in August and a Serge Medeke celebrating baso Black Queens qualify on 3-2 aggregate I ni omo ehwe nim se nyame adoma on betimi akopiem e Sakins case na say shenosoma me say ohwe Africa utie sound no and say na say cause ase na bofo no support no yen support different ye de Germany asane nyom to ne ade aso bia obo yes no pese obo nso tinyo ba ko match dede bosi no di twa no sa pese obo nso obo ba she no so 2004 ye di third e wa Kings in 2006 ye di second and after 2008 group stage and ye kodie 2010 and also group stage and ye ko ni ye film 2012 yan qualify 2014 group stage and after 2016 the third 2018 group stage near year film and after 2020 so mo cancel competition 2022 and also yan qualify and after 2024 afi and yan qualify for Morocco against no Nora Hotel Bonifita udi Black Queens and my one name chinchi mo mfru mane mo mpukua e mananwada ne matini to ye no or the komoja after the victory.
They play some very long time for the Queens, some maybe, for some it's the last WAFCON. We have some young players, for them it's the first time. So in general we have a very young squad. Need to develop and work and continue our mission Volta. I'm proud of this year. We won out of 10 games and I think we can have a nice Christmas.
Well, it means everything to us because we've been away for the AFCON for almost 5 years now. So it's a great achievement. It's good. Like she said, we are a young team. They are upcoming, so we're going to improve on every aspect of the game, and we look forward to the AFCON, and we are ready and determined to win the AFCON. I think there was no difference. I think we were on top for a while. I think maybe the weather too affected us a bit, because the weather is different from Ghana, and I think we did everything. We did everything the coach told us. We did everything well, and at the end of the day, the most important thing is we qualify. So I think we were a bit on top of the game. They play.
Linda Eshon and Oteso no so Kasadia can coach Penyipa Nora Hotel Hono. But the Emre Munian for your teams are also qualified for the Air Nations Cup and also beating Sabaso Morocco no Nations Cup no Morocco for and a host to South Africa for qualified Nigeria, Alata for Mana qualified Tanzania, Ghana ya qualified now for Algeria, Tunisia, Gambia now for Subama, there's after Zambia and DR Congo for Ejinem, now for Botswana and after Mali and Senegal, Womina El Horma, are qualified Ediomani 18 Sanchez Akins, Kessia say. Young Kuma Nese Nanwada, the third edition of the law. For society, we Robert Smith Law Group and a near Senpai FM Katie from one of the Sanchez on Creative Sabai near Share and near my Samafu who our good name so fast the law is concerned. Now, Serge Medina Yusuf Al Hassan Chips, a former Kumasi Asan player, former under 23 captain, and also the Nkomo 18 Senja, a fasten and Yama AC Echo, Edema players, and Emra, and so muhu.
You need to look at the situation here, if the player is a minor or not a minor, because there are rules and regulations governing every class of player. And if the player is a minor, he can only sign a professional contract when he's 18, when he's 16, between 16 and 18, he can sign a first professional contract. Or when he's 6 months to be 16 years old, he can sign a professional contract. But then you should bear in mind that you have to consider certain factors. At that age, money is important, but that shouldn't be the priority. The career of the player is more important. And when a player chooses you as his agent, he has entrusted his whole career into your hands. And therefore, it is your responsibility to make sure you give him the best sporting advice as to let's go this way, let's go that way, let's not go here, let's go there. Before you sign a player to a club, you should also look at the ambitions of the club. Is that club a club that develops young players or young talents? There are certain clubs that when you transfer a young player there, it's a waste of time because they don't have time for young players. They are not developers. They don't develop. So therefore, they are not going to add any value to the player. But there are certain clubs that have the track record that they develop and they sell. So you need to look at the situation here.
See, Yusuf Alasan Chipsa or a super agent, Yakagana agent Bako, a Ghana this year. Now or a former player, what transfer player Power Africa shares will be anywhere on Yusuf Alasan Chipsa Betia Bumushe. Nanwada, I the third edition of the Robert Smith Law Group. Omo kwalabo amune asempa 94.7 FM ye na yehwe emra no ne yeso mafu hu e wagudinim na eboa ami nyina asomdwe no ana ono so ede ne nkomo 18 sabeja wase moving pick ambassador hotel ana sajwedi ne 18 to fm yenko songo steak Patrick Osajman countryman songo and subsequent name yami adoma ene ono so de nkomo eba. Hello songo. Hello songo. Songo, hello Songo. Hello Songo. Hello Fireman. Hello, fireman. Hello, fireman. Okay. Enti yewese sabiti aka Patrick Osajman countryman sungo but idea line anwen ne sekakra osanto mu biwa ebesade na ba but channel so say Kingdom Garlic Bitters, Kingdom Garlic Capsules wo mo etachiri panel dwumedi 8 sanbrel yade bi atitu bi ansati make adru bi eboa ebodo immune system ne mane pampen yade bi ne hobetin safa nchen ewrem afi elowa cholesterol no na afi so kwa na blood pressure so ifri ho reduce sugar level no esa eboa ema one study ado ina ro free bojanim na eboa ema ne matimi tutu yi edema Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules memedru no we ya branti on set make ebitim eboa reduce sexual weakness and afi waist pains ne mental stress if you produce energy and afi eboa ema release semen ema extra power ma the boy djuma ema ne ma ekoyi edema. Hello Songo. Hello Songo. Hello Songo. Okay. Inti ni abano no. Tremendous capsules and also drew back kwa emano on set make a bit and sabo candidates why fit and as we did poor ifri ho and after boaman kapa 8 years by town ho inti mesel omoden ada oya buy one now hwese ne Mexico so nanoda brako kubi twem ma biye o send WhatsApp on reply nina ene se nanu nani entimi anje mansan kata tremendous capsules hobetia boa amana so twan sa sante achimenken na boa emeni okaso ntua obetua mo ho na boa maniama etua koyi de ma Kingdom Home Estate at the dime papa na etua samba yaka quality in a modern touch de ampacho sa affordable houses in set me kebia wasum ebejo bruta your high standard security CCTVs ho agese sa so de bia ekoso within the environment bia so obetimi hu af electricity na afen so standby generators so ho nso eba wa modern da se Kingdom Home Estate on sabetia kasa dan paibi na ebetin aboapa okọ every botanical gardens afri ho kono emiritia bi afeboti force na fe safari valley resort ani nyina close atete kwashi Memorial Hospital no so benwa eno so apomodon 7 na toba ha okupi mo betin shopa for Kingdom 40536 149 961 0536 149 961 na on Kingdom yenhwetwe nkomo yenhwe se metimi mesa betin aka songo for the last time. Okay inti yedibesia na madawase mama mo enhwe just unfortunately say sentiment and Patrick Osajman nyame adoma efiada obetene kasa the songo stake na tieba but na awie nyame adoma ede nkomotwetwe ene kasade ene de bebo wasu on de odija ene bebo wasu awie ntia na wahia fireman awie na for the nkomahodo aka wachi no etimi abraw within the profit kewala sa good catch back open of of course evidence based presentation etimi jaw radent na ni manya okese yif be ni da so ni emfa nko be ni da so di for you lord ana afen so kwa na you lord wo ewo kaso ahye so ba bi West Hills more fantastic morning and come on 7 abusia no mabiema mo hwe me chiawa fi ne kwala ni na you lord bia wo bia no we too much within the profit wala the act of being a good guest is to not to say goodbye.